Hey everyone, this is Prahlad, a student of the British College L6, and I have built a project in which AI recommends the courses to the students, and there are many features like you can log in as a student or as an instructor or an admin, and there are two kinds of admin. One being the developer admin, which only the one who created the website has the access, and another is the admin which we give to the other companies. Now I haven't hosted it right now, but I'm planning to. But now moving on, this is my final year project, and after this I'll be graduated, so this is kind of a last stretch for me. And in this video I am going to show you a full stack AI web application I built from scratch as my final year university project called Smart. And it is an intelligent course recommendation platform that uses machine learning to match students with the right courses based on their interests and skill level. It has three separate dashboards for students, instructors, and admin. And as I told you, that there are two kinds of admin, one being developer admin, and another is the admin that we sell the website to. And it is a fully secured REST API backend and JWT authentication, role based access control, and it has a recommendation engine with TF, IDF vectorization, and cosine similarity. And I'll be showing you the actual running application, walking through the real code, explaining every technical decision along the way. So let's hop into it. So the first question maybe, why did I build this? You must be asking, like, why would someone build anything like this? But the reason is, there are over 300 million online learners globally, and the dropout rate is shocking. Fewer than 20% of students actually complete the course they enroll in. And a big reason for that is simple: most e learning platforms show the exact same course list to every single student, whether you are a complete beginner or an advanced developer. You see identical options, there is no personalization or guidelines or any guidance. So I wanted to build something, and and that actually solves that problem, and a platform where the AI learns what you are interested in, and it recommends you the courses that you are actually keen to learn. And now I will show you my website. First, I haven't hosted it, but I'll show you in my own local host, and this is my website, the Smart. And as you can see here, this is, and to see the features you can click here, over here, and there, and I will show you the terms and conditions page, terms of service, acceptance of, and this is my terms and service. And you can see there is privacy policy as well, and all the things that happens in this project is only after we sign in. And you can either sign in as a student or as an instructor or as an admin, or you can even create an account, and there is a system of email verification here, and it's up to you. I have already created an account for both student, for an instructor, or admin. As I am the developer admin, so I already have my account. So let's get back to the source code. So coming back to the source code, I will show you that I will show you the main part of my project, which is the recommendation. So I will just get into the backend and courses. Let's just close this drop down and going on to the recommendations, so you can see. So I'll show you from the views.py. I've created functions like recommendation view, and admin recommendation stats view, and many others. But the main recommendation, it happens from the engine.py. You can see Here I have created get recommendations, and as per whatever the student selects, as per their interests and their level, it the my get recommendations, it converts it into a student text, and which is further vectorized by TF-IDF vectorizer. As you can see here, it is converted into a vector, and then I've used cosine similarity to measure the angle, and cosine similarity measures up to 1. And one of the benefit of cosine similarity is it measures sparse vectors with multiple zeros, and there are many reasons that I choose cosine similarity over other in a other complex models, because cosine similarity is very fast and it does fast vectorization and simple computation, which is very effective for real time recommendations. There can be other models as well, like BERT, but I didn't use it because as per my requirement of my project, the cosine similarity provides each and every aspect and provides meaningful output regardless of the length. And you can see I have used TF-IDF vectorization, and then I have used cosine similarity to recommend the courses. And and now moving on to, like, I will walk you through the AI engine. So the this is actually the most important part of my code, but I will also show you the code security and authentication, how the authentication is done. So at first, whenever I'll show you how the recommendation is done. So firstly when a user logs in, and I will show you. Mhm. So it's not in here, so I'll show you maybe. Yeah, it's over here. So yeah, you can see it over in API. When a user logs in through the front end cards, then a login, so then a request is sent to via API, and then you can see in backend, and it is sent to the backend users, and you can see in login.view tokens, and in login.view you can see it is checked that either the username and the password, the credentials of the user is either right or wrong, and if the credentials are correct, then the token is made. There are two kinds of token, one being the access token and other being the refresh token, and it is sent back to the API. And since it is sent back, then as you can see, I will show you the tokens. And as it is sent back to the API, then the authentication actually happens, and you can even see in auth. Here it is, and in API. And I will show you the other part, like I have used the mini, and I've used many methods and functions, like send verification email through def, send password reset email, register view, and I have used create a verify email view, and all my login is done through verify email view or login view, and then password change view. And here, and it calls the serializer. I will show you the serializer part. And here I have done use the Django's built-in system to for password validation, so it restricts user and makes them use at least one capital letter or any symbols. And then you can see it is serialized here, and then the users are saved in here. I have used custom user because the Django's built-in abstract user cannot save the lists. Like so, I have used custom user so it can save role, bio, profile picture, and either the email is verified or not, or where is created, and it will be saved at student profile or instructor profile. And then I have already shown you the main part of this recommendation. Then going up to the courses, I will show you that in courses, actually I have pushed all the courses through seed data, or sometimes I just manually create the courses from the instructor profile. I log in as an instructor and create courses manually. And in courses, I will show you that in courses you can see, there are many. I have used permission classes as um, permission classes, like the category create view, it can only be accessed by admin. And just like that, the course create view, it can be only done by an instructor or an admin, the developer admin. But students can't create their courses, they can only enroll in one. And in courses, my course list view, enroll view, my enrollments view. And then the serializing, it is done. It can converts it into the JSON format. And as you can see here, model equals to course, class course, difficulty choices, beginner. And you can see over here models, enrollment, class enrollment, it is saved over here. I will show you how the enrollment is done. In enroll view, permission classes is student, only student can log in. And if when the request data is sent via course ID, then then the serializer is called, and then it is saved in the enrollment. You can see here as per the course enrolled at progress and status. And just like that, the courses and the enrollments, I have used dropped system. You can see the course admin view, course enrollment drop view. I have used dropped because to maintain the history. Even if the student drops, then course will not be deleted, but it will be saved in history. And I have used soft delete for the same purpose, to maintain a history. And now I'll just show you now I will just show you now I'll just show you by logging in as student. I have already created an account, and like, which is this. And I'll show you the red. So I have logged in as a student right now. So this is my dashboard. And to browse courses, you can see I can do, if I want to study cloud computing or cooking, then the courses, and the cosine similarity, it recommends the AI recommends me the courses by itself. And you can see the recommendations as per my profile. The recommendations are shown here as per my student profile. Like in my student profile, I have clicked that I am interested in health and fitness, music, personal development, photography, video, sports, and travel. So accordingly, there are recommendations about health and fitness and beginner. And